Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the person is in your close friends list, so you're allowed to see their story. Next, open Instagram while online and let the story's thumbnails fully preload. You'll see the colored ring fill. This step matters because Instagram fetches story media first. Once the story thumbnails have loaded, don't tap them yet. That initial load is what lets you view offline later without triggering an immediate view notification. Now you switch to airplane mode or otherwise cut all data so Instagram can't send your viewing activity. Once offline, tap the close friends story to watch it. The preloaded content plays locally. After you finish viewing, force close the Instagram app from your app switcher. This prevents the app from reconnecting and sending the view receipt in the background. Make sure not to interact with the story, like replying or tapping stickers, because those actions can queue data. Finally, only reopen Instagram after you've fully closed it. When you reconnect, the app should not retroactively mark the offline view. If a view still appears, don't panic. You can ask to be removed from close friends or switch to a secondary account for anonymous checks. If the method fails repeatedly, clear the app cache, update Instagram, or try the same steps on another device. These troubleshooting moves fix issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.